This is a short demo of Autobound's Chrome extension functionality for sales leadership and enablement. This demo specifically highlights how sales enablement and leadership should set up their Autobound account to ensure their team sees the most success. Autobound's Chrome extension lives on the side of your screen in any sales tool in Chrome, but we have native integrations with LinkedIn, Outreach, SalesLoft, and Gmail, shown here in LinkedIn. After clicking the icon, Autobound will start performing the role of a prospect researcher, aggregating valuable information from LinkedIn, news sources, technographic data, shared experiences, and much more. What used to take 10 to 15 minutes can now be done in seconds. Perhaps the most important insight shown on this list of highlights is the persona insight, which influences Autobound's AI writer to better understand how to differentiate messaging across your various buyer personas. Personas are built by sales leadership and enablement. To build out personas, navigate to Settings. Here, you can build the brain of your outbound strategy into Autobound. Rather than spending hours every month building out persona-specific sequences, PowerPoints, and training new hires how to position their messaging differently based on persona, sales leadership and enablement can automate the process. First is your company description. This input should include a general value proposition you use to communicate with prospects. For best results, follow the example given above. This is the value proposition Autobound will use to generate content when no persona or competitor-based value prop matches your prospect. Here is where you build out personas. To create a persona, add a title, specify any and all job titles that you would use this persona messaging with. Filter for department, seniority, and industry. By adding filters, Autobound will attempt to map a prospect your reps reach out to with the filters you set up. If there's a match, Autobound will surface that information and use the persona-specific value prop you're about to create on the next step. Next, you'll tweak the value proposition Autobound creates for this persona. Now, when a rep generates content for a prospect that matches those filters, they no longer have to guess or spend 10 minutes trying to figure out how to create an email that's both personalized based on third-party data and relevant to the prospect's pain points. This workflow allows reps to gain a deep understanding of how to position their products quickly, reducing ramp time and increasing seller efficiency. For competitors, you can ask Autobound to track when a prospect is using competitive technologies, and then use competitor-specific messaging to emphasize the benefits customers receive with your solution. To wrap up, Autobound's Chrome extension allows you, as a sales leader, to cultivate high-converting, pain-driven messaging that automatically populates for your reps, making them better, more efficient sellers from day one.